Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness, nutrition and life coach specializing in obesity and diabetes management. So today I am showing you how to make the recipe you might have seen already. Is Crystal's pizza roll. Her channel is called Keto Carnivoreish Chris. So I'm gonna link her original recipe in the description below. So she made this pizza roll, which I thought they looked amazing. As if you're eating a low carb kind of animal based diet, a lot of time maybe you have on your plate just like a steak, maybe a few other bits, but I thought this was great as like to add something to your plate, or it can be a side dish, or it can be like party food. So yeah, really great recipe. I already tasted one, they taste amazing, I can tell you already. And I also wanted to take the chance to kind of show you my favorite flour quotes mix for the egg white bread, my go-to recipe right now. And I'm also, as a bonus, showing you what I do with the extra butter. I'm making some burger buns, so that's gonna be shown as well. So yeah, stay tuned and let's have a look how to make this recipe. So I'm using, so first of all, I'm gonna show you nice and slow my favorite flour powder mix. So it is 3/4 cup of egg white protein powder, 2 tablespoons of whole egg powder, 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch, and then 1/4 cup of allulose. So that's my favorite mix, and then I take a few minutes just to mix it up properly and break down all the kind of like clumpy bits of allulose and whole egg powder, just to make sure it doesn't clump up too much in the butter. And then the rest is classic, like I use a whole egg carton of egg whites and half teaspoon of cream of tartar and half teaspoon of salt. You whip it up as usual, make it super stiff, and then when you're happy with the stiffness, it has to be like super stiff. If you're new, you like really, you have to make it, you have to keep whipping, and then you add all the powders and try and mix them up really well. People who has the KitchenAid get a really super smooth butter. Me with my hand mixer, I don't manage to break all the little knots. That's why I do the job before of like try and break them before I add it. And so because we're adding whole egg powder, it will deflate because of the fat in the whole egg powder. So it gives you a more liquidy type of butter. And so yes, for the pizza rolls I made 2 of these triangular trays. You can make a full like big one, it's up to you. I made it quite thin. I didn't go too thick because I wanted loads of filling and all of the actual egg white bread. So you're going to bake it in the oven, 160 degrees Celsius, which I never remember was in Fahrenheit. Alexa, what's 160 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit?
160 degrees Celsius is 320 degrees Fahrenheit.
So 320, I think the original I always say 325 or something like that. And be careful because this cooks super fast. You don't want to dry them out. I think it took around 4 or 5 minutes max. Didn't take long at all. And then you want to, before you roll the pizzas, you want to wait for them to cool. But with the leftover butter, I made these cute burger buns with just form them as best as you can, and then I put some black sesame seeds on top just to make them look cute, but of course they're optional. And also the burger buns cook pretty quick, like maybe 10 minutes, 10-15. You don't want to overcook white bread because it gets so dry. And so yeah, let's fill the little sheets of egg white bread. So once it's cooled down, it becomes more pliable. So I put classic tomato sauce. If you want to stay 100% carnivore, you can skip, just put a lot of cheese or like a cheese sauce of your choice. I put a lot of hot dogs because it's my favorite pizza topping, and a whole bunch of cheese, and then you cut it, put it into a tray and then cover it with a bit more sausage or hot dog and a bit more cheese. Bake it until it's all melty, and here they are. I think they look amazing and they taste awesome, but of course I'm gonna taste it on camera to show you they're actually good. Oh yeah, the little herb I was spreading, it's fresh oregano. I sent Casey to the supermarket to buy me oregano, and he bought me fresh, which is fine, but it gives you a nice pizza flavor, but you're probably using Italian seasoning. I'm giving another bite just to make sure. It's so good. Like, no immediately as I would think this is some type of diet food or low carb food. That just tastes really doughy, really nice, soft, not dry at all. Of course, you have to fill it up. You can't be stingy with the cheese because otherwise it'll be dry. But you could do like a bacon and cheese, or like with brie or anything like that. Yeah, it would be amazing. Basically anything you're gonna roll is gonna add a lot of moisture. It's gonna be amazing. So thank you thank you Crystal for making this recipe. I think the original concept, I think we all thought that Maria did like a Christmas roll with like, it's like a Christmas, I don't know what they're called, Yule or something like that. And Crystal made also cinnamon rolls, which I'm looking forward to try. And yeah, fantastic. I can't wait to just switch off the camera and keep eating. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, give me a comment below. What would you put into your rolls? Would it be savory or sweet? But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.